Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English Flow, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence every single day. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. And today, I need to ask you something personal, something a little vulnerable. Are you ready?
Mohin going deep right away today.
I am, because today's topic deserves it. So here is the question. Have you ever had a moment where you know your English is good, but suddenly in that one important moment, it disappears?
A job interview, a meeting, a phone call, a new person you want to impress.
And your heart is beating fast. Your hands maybe shake a little, and the English words, the ones you practiced, the ones you know, just vanish.
Like they were never there.
Yes. And then after, when you were calm again, the words come back. And you think, why couldn't I say that then?
Oh, I know that feeling so well. You think of the perfect sentence, 30 minutes too late.
Exactly. Today, we are going to talk about why this happens. And more importantly, what you can do so it stops happening to you.
This episode is for A2 and B1 learners. But honestly, even advanced speakers feel this. So everyone is welcome.
Let's go. Okay, before the solutions, I want to talk about the 3 most common moments when this happens, because I think many of our listeners will recognize themselves here.
Yes, and recognition is powerful. When you say, "Oh, that is what happens to me," you feel less alone and you can prepare.
Exactly. Moment number 1, meeting someone new.
Oh, yes. You meet a new person, maybe a foreigner, maybe someone important, and suddenly all your English disappears. Even hello feels difficult.
Because you're thinking, what will they think of me? Will my English be good enough? Will they understand me? Will I understand them?
So many questions, all at once, while also trying to speak. The brain is completely overloaded.
Moment number 2, speaking on the phone or video call.
This one is extra difficult because you can't see the person's face clearly. No body language, no lip reading, just the voice.
And for many learners, phone English feels completely different from face-to-face English. Even if your spoken English is quite good, the phone can feel like a whole new challenge.
Yes, and the pressure of silence on a phone call, that awful quiet when you are thinking, feels much bigger than silence in person.
Moment number 3, when someone doesn't understand you.
Oh, this one. You say something, the other person looks confused, they say sorry or pardon, and suddenly your confidence drops. You feel embarrassed, and you speak even more quietly, even more unsurely.
And the nervousness gets worse and worse. Each misunderstanding makes the next sentence harder.
It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. One little problem becomes bigger and bigger.
So those are the 3 big moments: meeting new people, phone calls, and being misunderstood. Does any of those feel familiar to you?
If yes, perfect. You are in exactly the right place. Because now we are going to talk about what to do.
Okay, the part everyone is waiting for. 5 practical things you can do so your English doesn't break down when you are nervous. Emma, take it away.
Let's go. Tip number 1, slow down your breathing before you speak.
This sounds too simple, but it is incredibly powerful.
Yes. Remember, your brain goes into fight or flight because it feels danger. But here is the secret. Slow, deep breathing tells your brain, we are safe, we are calm, we are okay.
And when your brain hears that, it starts to relax. And when your brain relaxes, the language comes back.
So before you make that phone call, before you walk into that meeting, take 3 slow, deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And feel your body calm down.
This is not a trick. This is science.
Breathing directly controls your nervous system. Use it.
Tip number 2, prepare your first sentence.
Oh, this is so practical. I love this one.
Yes, the hardest part of any nervous situation is starting, the first sentence. Once you start speaking, it usually gets easier. So prepare that first sentence in advance.
For example, before a phone call, decide, I will say, "Hi, my name is Mohin. I'm calling because," and you practice that one sentence out loud before you call.
You don't need to prepare the whole conversation, just the first sentence, because once you start, the momentum carries you.
First sentence equals engine start. After that, you drive.
I love that. Tip number 3, use short, safe sentences when you panic.
Yes, when your brain freezes, don't try to say a long, perfect sentence. That will make it worse. Go back to basics. Short and clear. I understand. Can you repeat that? I need a moment. That's a good question. Let me think about that. These short sentences do 3 things. They keep the conversation alive, they buy you time, and they make you sound natural. Because native speakers use them too.
Right. Saying, that's a good question. Let me think. Sounds perfectly natural. It doesn't sound like you're struggling. It sounds like you're thoughtful.
Exactly. Short and safe is your emergency toolkit. Always have it ready.
Tip number 4, accept the nervousness. Don't fight it.
Say more, Emma.
So many people, when they feel nervous, they think, no, I must not be nervous. I must be calm. Be calm. Why aren't you calm? And they try to push the nervousness away.
And does that work?
Never. Fighting nervousness makes it stronger. It's like trying to hold a ball underwater. It just pushes back harder.
So what do you do instead?
You say to yourself, quietly inside, I am nervous. That is okay. Nervousness means I care. It means this matters to me, and that is a good thing.
Accept it. Don't fight it.
And when you stop fighting the nervousness, it actually becomes smaller. Your body relaxes, your voice steadies, and your English starts to flow again.
That is beautiful and very true. Okay, tip number 5. Practice in uncomfortable situations on purpose.
Yes, this is the long-term fix. The other 4 tips help you in the moment, but this tip builds your confidence permanently.
The idea is simple. The more often you put yourself in slightly uncomfortable English situations, the less uncomfortable they become.
For example, call a shop in English, even when you don't need to. Talk to a stranger at a cafe. Join an online English conversation group. Watch an English video and then explain it to yourself out loud.
Small, regular doses of discomfort.
Like a vaccine. A little bit of the difficult thing so your body learns it is safe.
And every time you survive a difficult English moment, your brain makes a note. We did that. We were okay. We can do it again.
Your confidence is built from small victories, not from perfect moments, from survived moments.
Survived and tried and kept going. That is what makes a confident English speaker.
So, 5 tips. Let's review them quickly. Tip 1, breathe before you speak. Tip 2, prepare your first sentence. Tip 3, use short, safe sentences in a panic. Tip 4, accept the nervousness. Don't fight it. Tip 5, practice in uncomfortable situations on purpose. Write those down. Put them somewhere you will see them. These are your tools for when your English feels like it disappears.
Okay, everyone, practice time. We are going to act out a nervous English moment right now. Listen carefully, and then we want you to repeat after Emma's lines, out loud.
This is a phone call situation. I am the person answering. Emma is the nervous English learner. Ready?
Ready. Okay, I'm nervous, but I remember my first sentence. Here we go.
Hello, City Hospital. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Emma. I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. What day works for you?
Could you repeat that, please? I want to make sure I understand.
What day? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? What day is good for you?
Monday is good for me. In the morning, if possible.
Perfect. We have 10 a.m. available. Does that work?
Yes, 10 a.m. is perfect. Thank you so much.
Did you notice what Emma did there? She used, "Could you repeat that, please?" A short, safe sentence when she needed a moment. The conversation kept going. She stayed calm.
Even though I was nervous, I used my tools. Short sentences, ask for help when needed, keep going.
And that is all you need. Not perfection, just tools and the courage to keep going.
Okay, everyone, we are near the end of today's episode, and I want to say something from my heart.
Go ahead, Emma.
Being nervous in English, feeling your words disappear right when you need them most, that is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. I know it. Mohin knows it. And I want you to know, we see you. We understand exactly what that feels like.
And we want to tell you something important. That nervousness you feel, it means you are trying. It means you are putting yourself out there. It means you care about growing. And that is something to be proud of.
The people who never get nervous in English are the people who never try anything new. And you are trying every single day.
So next time your English freezes, take a breath. Use a short sentence. Accept the nervousness and keep going. Because every time you do, you become a little braver, a little stronger, a little more fluent.
We believe in you. We really do. Now, leave us a comment below. Tell us your story. When was the most nervous you have ever felt speaking English? We want to hear it, and we promise you are not alone.
Share this episode with someone who needs it today, and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. For me, Mohin.
And for me, Emma.
Keep speaking. Keep flowing.
See you next time on Speak English Flow.